Hello, I've had a question in Unit 1, Lesson 5 of vectors here. Question number 10 in Lesson 5. It says two forces of equal magnitude act at 60 degrees to each other. If the resultant has a magnitude of 30 newtons, find the magnitude of the equal forces. The nice thing with this question is they don't give us an orientation, so we can pick the orientation that we want. So I'm going to put the vectors, I'm going to put one of them horizontal. So I'm going to have vector u, and we're going to have vector v at 60 degrees to each other. All right. Now we know that the magnitude of the resultant is 30 newtons. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do stacked addition here. So if we take vector u, it's equal to the magnitude of u, and it is heading down our x-axis, just because that's the orientation we have chosen. All right, so magnitude of u, I plus 0j. Now, if we add the v vector, now this is where we're going to do a substitution. We have two equal magnitudes. So vector v, I'm going to go as magnitude of u, all right, because they're of equal magnitude, cos 60i, plus the magnitude of u, sine 60j. And again, the reason that I'm doing this is because the vector v has the same magnitude as vector u. And we know our resultant is going to equal the sum of these two. So if we go down and add the columns here, all right, so we're going to have magnitude of u plus magnitude of u cos 60i, and then this one plus, we'll just have magnitude of u sine 60j, because it would be 0 plus that. Now, cos 60, all right? If you're to calculate cos 60, just get a number. Cos 60 is just 0.5. So I really have 1 plus half a u. So I've got 1.5 magnitude of u in the I direction, plus sine 60 is 0.87, so 0.87 magnitude of u j. All right, so we want to find out what the resultant's going to be. So we know the magnitude. So if we find our magnitude of our resultant, formula for that is the x component squared plus y component squared. We know the magnitude has to be 30 equals, and in brackets, 1.5 magnitude of u squared plus 0.87 magnitude of u all squared. Now we just need to solve the equation. So we're going to square both sides to get rid of the square root. So I have 900 equals, so 1.5 squared. So we have 2.25 magnitude of u squared. I'm going to square that 0.87 as well. We're not going to get an exact answer here because I've gone to decimals, but process is still good. Now those are like terms, so we can group them together. So we have 900 equals plus the 2.25. So basically, pretty much 3 is what that turns out to be. 900 divided by that answer there, the coefficient, gives us 299.3 equals the magnitude of u squared. And if we take the square root of both sides, gives us, magnitude of u equals 17.3 units. So therefore, vector u and v have a magnitude of 17.3 units. So there we are. All right, and it's because they were of equal magnitude, it helped us out. If there's any questions with that, any steps in the process, that you want clarified, let me know. Definitely, it is a tricky question. You're hoping for something quick and easy, but in this case, unfortunately, it's not. So, like I said, if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll try to clarify.